If Crimson Desert is not opening or launching on your PC, don't worry, this problem is quite common, especially after updates, and is usually related to drivers, missing files, or system settings. First, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Crimson Desert, then select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files to check for missing or corrupted files. Next, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin and install the latest available driver updates for your system. Another method is to run the game as administrator. Go to the game's installation folder, find the executable file, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. You should also try disabling overlays like Steam Overlay or Discord Overlay, as these can sometimes interfere with the game launching properly. And lastly, you can check if your graphics card are up to date. If you are using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, you can go to their website and check for current updated and make sure you run them if there are any. After trying these methods, the game should launch normally. If one of these fixes worked for you, consider subscribing for more quick and simple tutorials like this.